Hello guys, today I have got Cudy P2 router and I'm going to show you how you can easily insert the SIM card. So at first I recommend to unplug your router from the power outlet. Then prepare yourself this SIM card, which is the nano SIM card, and now turn your router upside down. As you can see, here we've got SIM card place, and we've got this little drawing with arrow, which means that we need to place our SIM card, insert it like this. Which will be difficult. Okay, and now here, once it's like this, we need to push it down until you hear a click. Now, we are done. That's how it works. Goodbye.